This is the Oraimo Watch Nova AM, and it's not just your regular smartwatch. It's apparently Africa's first AI smartwatch. Yeah, AI is everywhere now, but that's just one of the major selling points of the Watch Nova AM. It boasts of up to 60 days battery life, IP68 rating, Bluetooth hands-free calling, an AMOLED display, and sleek design amongst other interesting features which we're about to explore. First things first, pricing. Now the Oraimo Watch Nova AM comes at an affordable price point, precisely about 45,500 in Naira at the moment. That's like $30 or even less. It will be interesting to see how well it holds up after some time, seeing the interesting features that it offers. Now should you decide to get one after this review, you can do so from their website or the Oraimo store app. You can also use the discount code EASY at checkout for 5% off. I'll add a link to the description. So, to the review proper. The Watch Nova AM comes in typical Oraimo packaging and it contains all essential accessories. Setting it up is straightforward. Simply scan to connect it to your phone. You will need to install the Oraimo Health app. This synchronizes with the watch and is the best way to access all of its features. The Oraimo Health app can be downloaded from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. That is to say, it works on both Android and iPhones. And once you are done setting up the watch, you're good to go. Now the Watch Nova AM has a nice design and build. It is comfortable to wear and the straps have a nice feel. They can be easily replaced too. Still on its build quality, it's IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. The display on the Oraimo Watch Nova AM is AMOLED, and I'll say it's rightly sized at 2.01 inches. The resolution is 390 by 450 pixels, so everything looks crisp. The slight curve on the glass gives it a premium feel, like something you see on high-end smartwatches. It is responsive to touch and there is no delay when you carry out any actions on the screen. When you swipe down from the top, you have access to a quick panel where you can toggle always on display. There are two options for the AOD. Using this mode might significantly affect battery life, so keep that in mind if you have this enabled, although it's kind of low power consumption. Now you can also adjust the screen brightness from there, access the settings or the menu style with a single tap. I like the fact that you get different menu display options. Credits to Oraimo on the customization options available on the Watch Nova AM. Changing your watch face is as easy as turning the dial. Now to get more watch face options, you can do that from the Oraimo Health app. There you can also use the AI feature to generate your own custom watch faces. You can find this option in the dial center. Then select Create Dial. You can choose to use your own photo and convert it to 3D animation, art, or cartoon as you see fit. You can also generate a watch face from scratch. Just give it a prompt and let it do the rest. Although you only get like 30 generative credits per month. This is a nice feature, but it is lacking in the sense that the watch face you generate gets replaced as soon as you generate a new one. It will make more sense for me to have access to all the watch faces I've generated should I need to reuse one. Now this can be easily fixed with an update, so Oraimo, please take note. So yeah, that's its AI feature and I think it's unique. Let's move on to other features. It's a health and fitness watch after all. With the Watch Nova AM, you can monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress levels. There's a one-click button for that. There is also sleep tracking, which works great. Syncing with the Oraimo Health app, you can see your sleep data even back to a month. It has 24-hour health monitoring and will alert you if it detects abnormal health data. That's a nice feature. Now for the fitness lovers, it has over 100 sports modes you can choose from for your workouts, and it also has automatic workout detection, so it can track your workout activities as soon as it detects. The features on the Watch Nova AM extends beyond just health and fitness tracking. You can also use it to enhance your productivity thanks to features like Bluetooth hands-free calling, monitoring your notifications, a calculator app, music controls, and more if you'd like to explore. The notifications works for all apps as long as you enable them. You can read and delete notifications from the watch, but there is no reply option. You have customizable quick replies you can use for calls though. You can swipe up to access all your notifications. I use it for calls and I asked the person on the other end about its quality and they thought I was using a phone. How far? So it's clear.
Good. If it's earbud, then it's very good.
It's not earbud, it's actually a watch. Yes, the Oraimo Watch Nova. I think the quality is great and the speaker too. You can also dial numbers directly from the watch. The vibration on the watch is subtle, nothing aggressive. For most watches I use, I had to disable vibration, but here I like that it's subtle and I've not had to disable it. One feature of the Watch Nova AM Oraimo boasts of is its battery life. On standby mode, this is expected to go up to 60 days, and I don't doubt that possibility based on my experience so far. But as a heavy user, I'll use it actively, and Oraimo says it can go 24 days on active use. The battery life is impressive. While I've not used it up to 20 days, I've only charged it once. As I indicated earlier, using it with features like AOD and Bluetooth calling enabled, you might get less than 20 days of battery life, but at least a week is guaranteed. Now know that this is based on my usage so far, and that's pretty good for a budget smartwatch. The battery capacity is 340 mAh, and to charge it full takes about 3 hours if drained. For a watch that costs less than 50k naira, I'd say the Watch Nova AM is packed with solid features. I have nothing to complain about aside from the AI watch faces replacing old ones each time I generate a new one. But the fact that I can customize my own watch face is a really nice addition that makes the watch more stylish. And as someone who likes matching my watch face to my outfits, I can generate something to use each time as I see fit. I know that's probably weird. The health and fitness tracking are pretty accurate. It's also nice to be able to use this for calls without picking up my phone each time I have to make or answer a call, or when I quickly need to use a calculator on the go. I don't have to bring out my phone. It's basic but nice to have for those occasional use cases. So that's the Oraimo Watch Nova AM. I think it's a cool one and good value for money. If you got any questions about the watch, do leave a comment. On to the next.